Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing an introduction. No, we're not. We're going to be doing a update to my Harry Potter project pan. So if you want to see the progress that I've made in the last month, just keep on watching. I did my makeup at like 8 in the morning and now it's like 7:30 at night. So if it's looking a little rough, that's why. I forgot to use an eye primer today. I just like went right in with eyeshadow and I definitely noticed a difference. So I tried to fix it up a little bit and reapply some blush. But if my makeup's looking a little off, it's because it's been on for a very long time. So if you guys aren't aware, this is a project created by Christina Chang here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below, as well as the prompts, the project playlist, the spreadsheet, everything you need to know about this project. There are a ton of people participating. It's really great to just sit down at the end of the workday and just like watch everyone's updates. It's super nice. But yeah, so there are 4 prompts to this project. I will go through them as we go through the items that I have selected and have progress on. That was a weird way to phrase it, but anyway, let's just hop right into it before I keep rambling on. So first up, we have my foundation. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. This was for the Mrs. Weasley's Christmas Sweaters prompt, so it's supposed to represent something that you just feel good in, and this is my favorite foundation. However, it is sadly, as you guys, I'm a broken record at this point. It's discontinued. I'm so sad about it. Cannot find a dupe for it yet. I'm wearing it today, and I wore the Hydro Grip Primer today from Milk, and it stayed on pretty nicely for being on for almost 12 hours now. This is my favorite. Last update, we were here, and now we're here, which is the most progress I've had this entire time, so that's super nice. This is a very lightweight foundation. It is a lighter medium coverage, in my opinion. It is just so lightweight, you don't even feel it. You could over apply it and it would feel fine. I love this foundation. I'm so sad that I'm near the end, but it is older and I may as well not hold on to it. You know, I was like holding on to it, not using it because it's my favorite, but I really should use it up, so that's why it's in this project. I used this a total of 15 times this month, so pretty good. There was a period of time where I'm still trying to finish it up, but I wanted to focus on this before the project. Before this update. I have a deluxe size sample of the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation that I'm trying to use. So like all last week I used it. This week I focused on this one. So I think next week I'm going to focus on the Pure one. Hopefully I can finish it. And then this will be my main focus for the rest of the year. And the goal for this is to finish it. And if I don't, I'll be very close. This is a very lightweight liquidy foundation, so you don't use much per application. So we'll see. Hopefully I can finish it, but I feel like 15 is a good amount to kind of strive for each month. Next up, we have my Milk Makeup Bake Bronzer. Now, I can't show you progress on this because if I roll it all the way up, it won't roll back down. But I did use this a total of 10 times this month. My ultimate goal is to use this 40 times. A lot of people in this project are using 40 as their number goal, as that is how old Harry Potter, actually, his birthday is July 31st, if I remember correctly. So he turned 40 this year, so a lot of people are using that as their number goal. I used this a total of 10 times, which means I have 13 more uses to go, so I think I should be able to hit that goal and roll it out of the project by the next update. Next, we have our House Pride prompt, which for me is Ravenclaw. If you've been watching my updates, you know. So I've been having the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop in it. And first, we had this shade up here, Fine China, and I hit Baby Pan. Then I rolled in Lumi. What am I doing? Then I rolled in Lumi, and if you can see, I have a little pan. I mostly use this on the inner corner or as a lid topper when I was wearing blue eyeshadow, and I did kind of spoil this on my Instagram, so if you ever want to see spoilers, I do post them on my stories. But yeah, so now we have 2 pans, and as I've said in other updates, this shade Moonlight is what I will be focusing on next. I kind of have a loose goal of trying to get 3 pans in all of my ColourPop palettes, or really just my palettes in general. So there's a little bit of a dip just from me using this palette throughout the project. I definitely don't think this will be a 1 month goal met with Moonlight, but hopefully by the end of the year. If I do finish it by the end of the year, I'm not sure if I'll keep this palette in or roll something else in to fit the House Pride prompt. And it took me 5 more times to hit pan in Lumi to get pan. Next we have my lip gloss. This is the shade Baddie from the Lip Bar, and as I mentioned in the last update, not my favorite gloss, but here we are. My goal is 40 uses or to the top of this black line. I think we're gonna hit 40 uses before we hit this line. I neglected to have this settle, so I don't have a line to mark. I'm going to do that and mark it. Hopefully tomorrow morning everything will settle, but we'll see. I'm thinking we started right at the top, and I'm thinking we're like right here, but I could be wrong. So I used this a total of just 6 times with the goal of 40, so I have 34 more uses to go. We'll see if I am able to finish or hit the goal for this project. I have been pairing this with, one second. Something I've been doing is pairing it with this in my main project pan. This is the Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie Gloss in Prima Donna. I've been pairing these two together, so I'll put this down first and then this, because my complaints with this are the smell. It smells like sesame oil, and it's not very glossy. It's more of a shimmer. So when I apply this, which has a pepperminty smell and is glossy, it kind of cancels what I don't like about this out. So I've been pairing these together quite a bit, but yeah, still not my favorite gloss. I'll use it. I am wearing it today over an e.l.f. The Seriously Satin lipstick in the shade Cider. I just thought I'd get a use out of it. So actually, I've used it 7 times. So that means 33 more uses to go on this. Yeah, I will let this settle. Hopefully I will be able to see some sort of marking to show for next update. Yeah, so we'll see. But yeah, this was for the prompt, Peeves, something that you previously hated or a product you didn't use before and is now a crucial part of your routine. I used to hate lip gloss. This summer, it was the summer of lip gloss for me. So yeah, this is, yeah, once again, this is the Lip Bar shade in Baddie. So that is a super quick update for my Harry Potter project pan. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I think for sure the foundation, if I don't finish it, it'll be super duper close. Bronzer, I should have that goal met by the next update. Moonlight, I definitely think that shade from Blue Moon, I definitely think I'll be able to hit pan by the end of the year. How much longer? I'm not sure. I would give it maybe 2 to 3 months for me to completely get pan in that shade. Maybe by the end of the year, we'll see. And then the gloss, hopefully I can use it 34 more times by the end of the year, but we'll just have to see what happens. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.